How to delete notes on Facebook profile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete notes on Facebook profile. For this, launch open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to use the latest version of the Facebook application. To check, you can open up Play Store or App Store and simply search for Facebook. Here, if you find the update button, go ahead and update the application to the latest version. Now, first of all, let's add in a note. For that, you want to tap on the profile icon over here. Then you want to tap on this bubble over here. Now, to create a new note, you simply want to type in any message. You can also include a song in here, then tap on the share option. So as you can see, this is my current note. Now, if you want to delete this note on your Facebook profile, all you want to do is tap on this note. Then you have the option of replace note and delete note. If you want to replace it, tap on the first option. If you want to completely delete it, tap on the second option of delete note. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Remember that doing this will remove the note from both Facebook and Messenger. So if you agree, tap on the delete option. Once that is done, as you can see, the notes has been successfully deleted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.